Hi, today we'll be learning about heights and distances or some applications of trigonometry. So, in applications of trigonometry, there are two things mainly, probably three things. One is the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is when an individual looks top at an angle to the surface, which is called normal, or with respect to the object with another object at a certain height and angle. Like these are normal, you think. Then there is a height of some distance. So here we stand. From here we look till the top. Then this angle is called angle of elevation. Fine. And for angle of depression is when an individual looks down from a height at an angle where the topmost height is the normal, or with respect to the object with another object with a certain height and angle. Like there is a height and we stand here somewhere and we are looking at some object over here. So this will become the normal and this is our height. So from here, this angle is our angle of depression, and with the theorem, opposite angles like adjacent angles, this also will become the same angle as this. Suppose this is 45, and even this will become 45 degree. Fine. In this whole chapter, you just have to learn sine table, cos table, and tan table. We all know that, right? 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Sine 0 is 0. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. This is 1. And for cos, it's ulta. Okay, as in this, tan is always equal to sine divided by cos, right? So 0 divided by 1 is 0. 1 by 2, 1 by 3. This is 1. This is root 3 and this is not defined. Fine. These three things you have to remember. What is it? Angle of elevation, angle of depression, and the cos table, like trigonometry table. We'll go to the first question. A tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. At any word equations, first go by the first line, like tower stands vertically on the ground. Always we all know that the tower stands vertically above the ground. So this A point and B point, this is a tower. This always stands vertically straight. Fine. Then from a point on the ground, any point such as C, which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. So this is 15 meter. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is, like from here, if you're suppose standing here and you're looking at the top of the tower, then it's 60. Find the height of the tower. Same thing. Like we know we have to find AB, right? We know that BC is equal to 15 meter and angle C is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, height of the tower is tan theta is equal to tan C. Let's keep it tan C is equal to AB by BC, right? So tan C is where C is 60 degree. So tan 60 is root 3. Then AB is unknown, so let's keep it as X, and BC is 15 degree. So X is equal to 15 root 3 meter. Always remember, you should always write units, whether it is centimeter or meter or kilometer. You have always write meter, and the declaration is like, therefore the height of the tower is 15 root 3 meter. Okay, fine. Yeah, fine. So the next example is like an electric pole has to be repaired, an electric fault on the pole and 5 meter. Then she needs to reach the point 1.3 below the top of the pole to undertake the pair work. What should be the length of the ladder that she should use when inclined at the top of at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal would enable her to reach the required position. Also, how far is the foot of the pole should be placed the foot of the ladder. Fine. Here water node is given. Like AD is equal to 5 meter, right? And AB is equal to 1.3, because like from the top to the to the point where the ladder joins is 1.3 meter. Fine. And angle C is equal to 60 degree. Now we have to find BC and DC. Fine. Now, according to the question, BD is equal to AD minus AB. Therefore, 5 meter 5.0 minus 1.3, which is 3.7 meter. Fine. Keeping this in mind, now we'll find what's BC. Now, like tan C is equal to BD divided by DC. Fine. Tan C is root 3 is equal to BD is 3.7 divided by DC. Therefore, DC is equal to 3.7 divided by root 3. Fine. It's nothing but can be write 2 also. Now, to find BC, sin C is equal to BD divided by BC. Sin C, in the sense sin 60 is root 3 by 2. It is equal to BD is 3.7 divided by BC. Fine. So BC is equal to 7.4 divided by root 3 meter. Now if you want to further calculate, like you want to further divide, then you can divide. Therefore, DC is the distance from the foot of the pole, and this is the height of the ladder. Fine. This is how we have to find. Here, the from a point P on the ground of the angle of the elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. A flag hoisted is at the top of the building of the elevation of top of the flagstaff from the P is 45 degree. Now find the length of this flagstaff and the distance of the building from the point P. See, suppose according to the question, there is a point P here somewhere, and the 10-meter tall building. From here, the elevation is 30 degree, and there's a flag over here somewhere. Flag always stands at the top, right? So this is 45 degree. We'll name this as A, B, C. They're asking to find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from point P. So they're asking PC and AB, right? What do we know? We know that BC is equal to 10 meter and angle APC is equal to 45 degree and angle BPC is 30 degree. So in triangle APC, tan P is equal to AC divided by PC, right? Tan P is nothing but tan 45 1 is equal to AC by PC. Therefore, AC is equal to PC. Fine. Now in triangle BPC, tan P is equal to BC divided by PC. Fine. Now tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3, which is equal to BC. Like BC is 10 meter divided by PC. Therefore, PC is equal to 10 root 3. Since from here AC will also be 10 root 3 meter. Now PC and AB, right? To find AB is equal to AC minus BC, right? So what's AC? AC is 10 root 3 and BC is 10. Therefore 10 root 3 minus 1. Fine. Now you can substitute root 3 value inside this and get the final value. It's up to you. And at last, find class by declaration, the length of the flagstaff is 10 into root 3 minus 1 and the length and the distance from the building from the point P is 10 root 3 meter. Fine. The units are